Hi everyone, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads, and this spotlight is going to be on the Luna cabs. The Luna cabs are an iridescent cab that are actually an injection molded resin. They have a silver backing on them, which is really thick. It is going to create that kind of sheen or iridescence. Sometimes they're often referred to as miracle cabs or miracle beads, and you can see even with this rose colored one that I have picking up, and they have fun colors like raspberry and lime and blueberry and grape, lots of food and berries, and some emerald and pomegranate there. We've got lots of different options and different sizes and also even different shapes. Anna actually was just working with one of them here, and I wanted to show that we actually stock them in a mixed variety as well, where you get a mixture of the different beads of different colors in the packages. So whether or not you're looking for the newest 12 millimeter or going up to the 18 or that 25 millimeter, you can play around, or 24 rather, you can play around and look at all of these different designs. Keep in mind when you are looking at these Luna cabs, you can substitute them for any other cabochon that you may be looking at. We've had a really fun time creating some of the different pendants and different focal pieces using these different designs of the Luna cab. So if you want to check out the Luna cabs, again, you can get them in mix packs for a color variety or each individual to get that nice color sheen and a newer kind of funky look to add into some of your jewelry with these fun cabochons. The Luna cabs, again, come in multi-packs as well as individual packs, rounds, ovals, and some fun shapes. So check it out, all those different Luna cabs, and enjoy creating with that nice sparkle and shine. Again, if you need any of the links to the Luna cabs, you can go below the video into the description and get links to purchase there from us at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu. In addition to that, you can give a little thumbs up if you like the Luna cabs, suggest some different videos as well as different ways to use the Luna cabs below in the comments, as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel. You'll get regular updates from us then when we go live, when we have new videos, new products, and new tutorials daily for you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have fun with the Lunasoft cabs.